Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome to our in-depth look at 2023's top gaming CPUs. A CPU, the computer's brain, ensures your games run smoothly. We're dissecting the best CPUs in three categories: budget options, mid-range powerhouses, and high-performance beasts. Each suits different gaming needs. Looking for something cost-effective or the ultimate processing power? We've got you. So let's dive into CPUs, starting with our budget picks. If you're building a PC on a budget, you're in luck. There are two fantastic options available: the Intel Core i3-13100F and the AMD Ryzen 5 5600. Let's dive into what makes these two stand out. The Intel Core i3-13100F is a quad-core processor that delivers solid performance across a wide range of games, all while keeping power usage to a minimum. It's a savvy choice for those who want a balance of power and efficiency. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 offers 6 cores, providing a bit more muscle for multitasking or more demanding gaming scenarios. It's a beast of a processor that doesn't break the bank. But what about their price tags? Both are surprisingly affordable, with the i3-13100F generally coming in slightly cheaper than the Ryzen 5 5600. Both of these CPUs provide exceptional value for their price, making them top picks for budget-conscious gamers. Moving on to the mid-range selections, we have the Intel Core y5-13600K and the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. The Intel Core y5-13600K is a performance powerhouse, making it a strong contender for your gaming rig. It boasts a high core and thread count, ensuring smooth multitasking and a seamless gaming experience. Plus, its power efficiency is nothing short of impressive. On the other side of the ring, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. This CPU might surprise you with its impressive performance metrics and competitive price. Known for its robust multi-thread performance, the Ryzen 5 7600X ensures your games run without a hitch. And let's not forget its power usage. It's optimized for efficiency, making it a great choice for those long gaming sessions. In terms of price, both are quite similar, offering great value for the level of performance they deliver. These mid-range CPUs deliver a balance of price and performance that's perfect for the average gamer. For those of you who demand the best, we present our high-performance picks. Let's dive into the world of ultra-powered gaming CPUs, where power, speed, and performance meet. The AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D is a beast of a processor, offering exceptional multi-threading capabilities, perfect for those graphically demanding games and high-end creative work. Next up, the Intel Core i7-13700K. It's a high-speed, power-efficient chip that doesn't shy away from heavy tasks. Its hyper-threading technology ensures smooth gaming and multitasking. Now, the Intel Core i9-13900K is a gaming powerhouse. With its incredible clock speed and advanced thermal design, it can handle anything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. Lastly, the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D. A CPU that delivers remarkable performance and power efficiency, ideal for intense gaming sessions and demanding workflows. These CPUs are the top of the line, offering the highest level of performance for serious gamers. Finally, we present our top overall picks: the Intel Core y5-13400 and the AMD Ryzen 5 7600. These processors are the epitome of performance and value. The Intel Core y5-13400, with its 6 cores and 12 threads, delivers a performance that can handle heavy gaming and multitasking with ease. It's also efficient, with a power usage that won't send your electricity bill through the roof. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 is a powerhouse in its own right. This CPU boasts 8 cores and 16 threads, offering even more multitasking capabilities. Plus, thanks to the Zen 3 Plus architecture, it provides an exceptional gaming experience while maintaining impressive power efficiency. Price-wise, both CPUs offer great value. They deliver top-tier performance without breaking the bank, making them perfect for gamers who want the best without splurging. That's it for our roundup of the best gaming CPUs of 2023. Remember, the best CPU for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Happy gaming!